PVC membrane ahead of time. Overlap the edges of upper and down membrane by 4 cm. Turn on the main power switch. Set the temperature at 580 degrees Celsius. Setting speed 5.0 meters per minute. Wait until the set temperature is reached. Adjust the air volume. Laying down a welding nozzle, the machine will run automatically. Pressure roller. The pressure can reach up to 17 kilograms. Compact structure. After welding, the welding nozzle returns to its original position and it stops welding automatically. Set the temperature at 0 degrees Celsius. Please wait for the current temperature to drop below 50 degrees Celsius. Set the speed at 0 meters per minute. Turn up the main power switch when the current temperature cools down below 50 degrees Celsius.